guys, this is Bhavna Kumar and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually reading and reacting to your comments. So usually I post like 2 videos in a week, but I thought why not post 3 videos, like improve myself and improve my channel. So I thought let's put 3 videos. So today's video is gonna be just reading all your comments. So I get notifications if someone has commented, but only for few people. For other people I really don't get, so I kind of miss out on a lot of comments. And plus I'm very small YouTuber, so in some videos I get a lot of comments and in some I don't. And there have been like very few videos where I have got like good comments, bad comments and criticism. And today I'm not gonna read all the comments of all the videos. I'm gonna take like 2-3 videos like that. I want to make it short but also make sure that I'm reading every single comment. And today I'm gonna react, read, reply and answer to those comments which are on my art videos. Today I wanted to do only the art videos, so I'm gonna take like 2 art videos. So the first ever video I have put up on my channel is an art video, and this is about mandala, like all you need to know about mandala, and it has like 3,000 views. So let's hop into the comments. I really don't watch my own videos because I really don't have the courage, or I'm not that confident to watch my own videos. That is the one thing I really can't do. Even if someone is playing my video in front of me, I just don't know how to react, or I just can't sit there. So this was my first ever video, so everyone mostly just congratulated me, but still we are gonna go. The first comment, this is 2 months ago. Surbhi Sharma, oh my god, and heart. Thank you. Next is Harish Kumar. This is just very amazing, like the performance. He's actually my sir from my computer class that I went to. Ashwin, my friend, who says wow, amazing start, many congratulations. Thank you. As I told you, this is the first video I uploaded and people mostly congratulated me. Next is Neha, she's my school friend. She says amaze, thank you. Next is Namrata, again my friend. She's like waiting for more videos. Next is Nahar Samsung. He says your video is amazing, too good, thank you. Next is Danish, he's also my school friend, says amazing. I said thank you. Next is Aishu Ash, she's my like graduation college friend. She says looking forward for more videos, all the best, keep growing. Thank you so much. Like this is the one video where a lot of people congratulated me and wished me luck. So next is Gayatri Karthik, good one, God bless you Bhavna. Deepa Nagarani, she says excellent Bhavna. Next is Merlin, she's my college friend, like very good friend. She says nice video. So these are the comments that I got for my first video. Everyone is being nice, congratulating me, wishing me luck, which is nice. So after that, the next art video I had put is actually on the right pens and basic designs for your mandala. And it's 2 years ago I posted this and I got like 27k views. So there are videos like when I make it or when I write down my ideas, I feel this is one of the video I'll make and it will go okay, it's not that great idea. And there are also those videos which I think like, oh, this is a nice idea, I think this might go very well. But when I post the normal ones which I don't have any hope on, it goes well. And the one which I thought a lot on, that goes like below average. And if you see my channel, there are some videos which has gone very nicely, like very nice view and very nice performance, or there are videos which has gone very bad. There's nothing in the middle on my channel, so either it's up or down for me. So this is the third video, but actually the second art video. There are 25 comments. So this is one day ago, just one day ago. This is Shri Devika. What pen will you suggest to use on the black surface with good smooth flow? Black surface. Now I don't know black surface, she means like a black sheet or what surface, I don't know. If it's a black chart, there are 2 pens. If you want a white pen, in that you get 2 varieties, 2 companies. One is Sakura Jelly Flow, the other one is Univol Signo White Pen. And from these two, if you want my opinion, I'll say go for the Sakura Jelly White Flow Pen. You get that for 60 rupees and Univol you get for 30 rupees. So these are the two pens for white. Again, if you want a colorful pens, you want like colorful pens, then you should go for again Sakura, that you get for different colors. I think the price range is 350 to 450. If you want, I'll put the link in the description box so that you can go through that link and buy so that you get some good deals. So next is Savita Unial. This is 1 month ago. She asked we should use gel or ball pen. So I would say use gel pen, because if you start with gel pen, automatically you'll upgrade yourself for the bigger brand pens, and those pens have gel consistency ink. So this using a gel pen is a practice for you and enhances your skill. So I would always say use gel pen, don't use ball pen. Next is Veda. She's actually from my college. She says, didn't know it was this simple, looks amazing. Thank you so much, Veda. Shubha Rao, ma'am, what kind of paper to use for this? So I get a lot of comments saying what paper to use for mandala. I would say you don't need any specific paper. Yes, for doing watercolors, you use watercolor papers, you get watercolor papers. But for mandala, you really don't need any specific paper for this. Like, I still use the kids drawing book to draw mandala. But if you're using a printer paper, just go for the gel pen. I won't suggest the other brand pen because sometimes the ink can breathe. See, Gayatri Ganakaraj, hi, in which paper we need to draw mandala? Tell me the sheet details. Again, I'm telling you, you can start with a normal basic drawing book. Not start, you can actually use them. Yesterday itself I bought a drawing book, like I have one over here. This is such a small drawing book, like I still buy small drawing books for my mandala, and it is for 30 rupees. This one is for 30 rupees. Any sheet is okay. The only thing I'll say is more than a printer paper, use a drawing book. Next is Shubha Rao. She says, looked up your website, nice creations. So thank you so much. Thank you for the effort taking and looking at my website. So nowadays I don't usually post my paintings in the website because it's too much work and the website is very tricky to use, like I feel. So mostly I just post all the artworks and all the drawings. If for sale, I post it on my Instagram. The next is Stepping Stones Play School. That's really nice. Please let me know what white pens to use for mandala. Thank you. Again, in the start of the video, as I said, there are two pens that you can use. One is the Sakura Jelly Flow pen. The next is the Uniball white pen. The both links I'll put in the description box. These are the two pens, and from these, if you ask me, my favorite one, that is the Jelly Flow pen, because the ink dries fast and it's super easy to use, while the other one, the ink takes a little time to dry, and sometimes when I use it, my hand keeps smudging all the ink and the art becomes very bad. So I use a Sakura Jelly Roll pen. Ritu Mehrotra. Hey, I loved your video so much, but I have a question that if I wish to buy one kind of pen, so which is the best one which you feel? Okay, I'll tell you in a detailed way. If you are a beginner, like very beginner, and you want a very good pen, you can go for Uniball Black Gel pen, which comes for 40 rupees. You can buy that. So next one, if you don't want a pen, you want to go for a bigger brand, you can go for Artline pens. You can get it in any pen shop. The constant one I use is the 0.71, and the next brand I would tell you, like if you want to be a pro or if you are a pro, you can go for Micron pens. So you get individually, or you can also get a box which has different size of the tip. I usually go for 0.2 in that. You also get 0.002. If you want to put detailed work in your mandala, you can use the Micron pens. So yeah, that's it. Oh my god, I'm out of breath while talking. Next is Ashumi Mehta. Your website name, please. I'll put her my website link, or if she is going to watch this video, check out my link or check out my Instagram actually. Website. Next is Molin. She's my college and she says nice and heart. Thank you, Molin. I think I have got like few friends who are very motivating, like whatever I do. Next is Manasvi Vispote. Hey, very helpful video, very simple. Can you please guide me with coloring pens? So again, coloring pens, you have many options, like the one is the Staedtler pens. They are a little costly, but they are very nice pen for coloring. Others, I will say, you actually get, if you put on Amazon, you will actually get these like set of 3 to 4 packs just for doodle coloring. You can actually use that too. I'll put the link down here so that you can try. The next one, he says, Mohammad Amar, 10 out of 10 for intro. Okay, if you see my old videos, the way I talk sucks. Okay, next is Shruti Rokhade. You should have shown how each of the pen work on the paper, so we can have a better idea of what we want. So actually, I remember doing this video. It was very tough for me to shoot. I didn't have a tripod as well. I was using this hanging wala thing for as a tripod. I will not give excuse. Yeah, I should have shown. I actually did a lot of practice, like how I want to show in my video. So I actually thought of drawing lines with each pens and then showing people, but then I realized the video will be too long. And when you are starting, like when you are a YouTuber who's just starting viewer, and my main thing in my mind was I have to present video which gives a lot of information at the same time, which is small, because people won't be staying too long to watch the video. So that was in my mind, and hence, so yeah, I'm really sorry Shruti, but next time if I do it, I'll show everything in detail. So next is Stella's artwork. Nice video. Thank you, Stella. The next is Raj Kiran. Raj Kiran. So Raj Kiran is actually my sir, Raj Kiran sir. So he's a very, very, very supporting sir. Like when I started my YouTube channel, one day I didn't go for the class, and he actually told the whole class to actually support my dream, that is YouTube. So thank you so much, sir. Like I won't forget this, sir. Next is Ashuni Mehta, Gayatri Kanakaraj. Can we do it in OHP pen as a beginner? Suggest beginner mandala pen. First, so suggest beginner mandala pen. So as I told you, a lot of pen in this video. I hope you would have got a clear idea for the beginner mandala pen. Next is OHP pen. OHP pen, according to my knowledge, are those pen which you use like a marker pen, or the CD, on the CD you use, no? Those are the pens, OHP pens. I never use them. I hate those pens to draw for mandala or for doodle. I don't know, there are some people who actually use it, like I don't know how they use it. I've tried a lot to draw on them, but it doesn't give me that proper flow. Usually when you're drawing with a normal gel pen, or you're using a bigger brand pens like Artline and Micron, it's easy for you to do a stroke and you get a proper constant ink flow when you draw. Put a line, the ink spreads. Like you're drawing a thin line or a normal line, it kind of spreads all the way, and that is the most irritating thing for me, and I really hate. So OHP pen, no from my side. So I will really not tell you to use an OHP pen. Please go for normal gel pens, or like you get Artline pens. So those were the 2 videos I did. I read each and every comment that you guys have put me, and I wanted to keep this video a short, but looks like I spoke a lot, and I hope this video is not boring for you. And I have replied literally everything that you guys have asked me, like extra details also I have given to you. Like I always like to give people every detail. If they ask me something, I want to give them like proper chaka-chak extra detail to them. Some people don't have the patience to understand. All the links for the papers, the drawing books, the pens, I'll put in the description box. Make sure you go through the links so you get better details and easily can find those items. I hope you guys found this video informative. I hope I have made it informative for you guys, and thank you so much for supporting me. And yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Keep drawing. Bye.